welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I have a Dollar General haul for you. So I did pick up some more Believe beauty items, so I thought that I would share them with you. It's just a few items because I'm actually really loving the brand, and I definitely plan on getting more. There were some eyeshadow palettes I wanted but weren't available yesterday. So, it is what it is. First things first, I said I wasn't going to buy any candles from the Dollar General for a while, and oopsie, this one just smelled so good. It was only $3.50, and it is 10-ounce candle, rosewood vanilla. I love any kind of wood kind of scents with vanilla. I can't help it. But this is a blended with essential oils candle. It is pink. And the jar lid looks like wood. It just smells so good. It has one wick in there. And they had a lot of neat, like, awesome candles there in new jars and stuff. And they smelled awesome. But I thought I would try this one and see how it burns and determine whether or not we're going to purchase any more. Upon recommendation after recommendation, okay, because I already have the Believe Beauty sponge, so I decided we would try some brushes. Everyone seems to love these brushes. So I have the all over eyeshadow brush, and once again, nothing from this brand is over $5. These were $3 each. Can you believe it? Yesterday they had the these two brushes that I got, and then they had a powder brush. I don't really need any more powder brushes, and they had a foundation brush. Now, when I am able to find the foundation in my shade, I may pick that up along with the setting spray and the foundation brush to try out for myself, because this brand is pretty awesome for the price. So I did get the eyeshadow brush. I did pick up the blending eyeshadow brush. I am a big fan of blending. If you're a fan of my channel or watch my videos, you already know I love a good blending eyeshadow brush, so I had to pick that up. And then I got one of their, what are these called? The Glimmer Pots Gel to powder eyeshadow. Now, I did get pink quartz because, now this was like $4.50, I believe. Look how cute that packaging is. This is high end. I did get this one because I typically would get like gold or something like that, or a champagne shade. And I thought, you know what, let's get this golden pink peach shade, because this is absolutely stunning and will go really nice with my Plush Purples palette. And I am still using that so much because I love it. So this is pretty cool. I already dipped into that, and it's a pretty unique formula. So I also said that I wasn't going to buy any of the eyeliners because I watched some reviews and watched people use them. No one seemed to like them. But the thing that I did notice is no one seemed to like the black eyeliner or the brown eyeliner. So I wanted to try them out for myself anyways, and like I usually do, but then I got some of the color ones. So I did get two of the long-lasting eyeliners, and let me tell you guys, I swatched these on my hand. I done dishes, I washed my hands, I used hand sanitizer, all kinds of stuff yesterday, and those swatches were still on my hand last night until I officially scrubbed them off. These eyeliners are pigmented, creamy, and they last a super long time. So I am going to be doing a review probably coming up soon on a lot of these products, so stay tuned. So the first one that I got is Olivia, and basically this one is like a, oh, and these are automatic eyeliners, and I believe they were $4.25 or $4.51, but it's an olive green, okay? And I just want to, can't help myself, but look how beautiful. These do have a shimmer to them, but that's okay. And I got Queen Mauve. It's a purple. So creamy. That's going to look amazing with the Plush Purples. I'm not even going to lie, I'm so excited about that. Then, those are the two automatic eyeliners I got. And I'm not going to spring for the black or the brown. But The rest of the shades, possibly, because I'm liking them a lot so far. Let's do a little quick swatch of this pink quartz for you guys. I don't know if that's going to really show up, but it is pigmented and it's creamy. And I don't know if the lighting's right for this, but... And then I did get 2 more of the metallic liquid eyeliners because I love the Midnight in Paris one so very much. It's so refreshing to use something that's not always black, and that eyeliner pairs perfect with the Plush purples, and I've used it so many times already, and I will repurchase that, and I will get the rest of the shades in this line. I had been looking at this one called Siren in Town, and it's basically a hunter green kind of thing. Now, these are supposed to be metallic, but they're not like super metallic or super shimmery. You can do thick line, thin line. These are super saturated and wet. I recommend storing them down like this though. The camera's not doing this stuff justice. And then the last one I got is called Dark Champagne. And it is like a brown, but it's more like a bronze. Like, oh my goodness, you guys. It's so beautiful. And these are long lasting as well. They're like waterproof. And once they're on, they're on. They don't dry or flake. And that is my Dollar General haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was like short and sweet, and I'm glad we could do a little bit of swatches because there was only like 7 new items from Believe Beauty. Still, I had to share them. I had to. So I hope you enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more Believe Beauty makeup tutorials, as well as a review, maybe possible in-depth swatch video as well. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in a review and swatch video also. And thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.